Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Chrissy and I am making something I have not made before and I'm going to take you along. It is the pumpkin mini bites. That's what they are. I always make the mini cherry pie bites and they always go over so well. I've even tried them with the blueberry and the apple and done like the red, white, and blue thing, and they're very, very popular with my family. I have never done pumpkin, so we're going to do that right now. So let's just get started. I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I will link that in the description box for you guys, but I'm going to read off some of the ingredients that you will need. Very, very simple. So first thing is you're going to either need to have a pie crust or buy, like what I do. Let me show you. This is what I use. It is so easy and so simple. I know the homemade tastes so much better, but this makes it like where you could take to a potluck or a quick and easy dessert. So definitely recommend these. You're also going to need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and this has to be softened to room temperature. Some pumpkin, some vanilla, pumpkin pie seasoning or the spice, some whipped cream, and 3 eggs. So we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and then we're going to start cutting out the rounds for our little mini crusts. I have my crust all laid out, and I am using this cookie cutter. This is my go-to for all of my mini pie bites. I love the fluted shape and it looks so pretty. All this extra dough I'm going to combine and roll out so I can get a few more pie crusts. I just created this egg wash using 1 egg and about a tablespoon of water, and I just kind of whipped it up with a fork, and I'm going to take my pastry brush and brush around the edges of the crust. That way they get nice and brown as they cook. Okay, now we're going to add our cream cheese and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in the mixer, and we're going to mix that until it's combined, and then we're going to add our eggs, 2 eggs, one at a time until those are combined. Next, I am adding in 1 cup of the pumpkin puree, and then I'm going to mix that in. The final 2 ingredients, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew.
These look so good. We were rushing it to taste, so some of the whipped cream is starting to melt, but I am dying to find out how they taste. I will let you know in just a second, but we wanted to share this recipe with you in case you were doing a Halloween party, because this would be really great for that, and to also maybe get a jump start on any Thanksgiving plans that you have. So let's give this a try. No, I can't talk. These are so good. That cream cheese is the best. Highly recommend this. Don't forget, I will link it in the description box for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.